So you'll get a message to Rendezvous Zantara at the Griffins Reach tradepost. Now, I've been there before in this playthrough, but that's because I picked up an earlier mission by accident. So on the way to the tradepost, you will find lots and lots of scrap metal and copper. So you should mine this because you will be given some contracts when you get there. I picked up a whole load on the way, but you see it's everywhere. And this is intentional, I think, is to make sure that you can easily do these contracts. So I'm just picking up any copper I can find until I can fill my inventory. I've only got 121 out of 175, I'm doing quite well. And then when I get to the trade post, I should be able to complete those missions without having to go out and get some more. I will, of course, pick up this bit of plant fibre here as well on the way. And more copper. You can pick up what's on the ground and you can scan and harvest. Always scan first. You can just mine it directly, but you get more when you scan, which is very important. As you go through the game, you'll get higher level cut arrays. We'll get more materials from each node when you scan it. So this is a very basic improvised one. You have to do an awful lot of them to fill up your inventory. It doesn't actually produce that much. So again, getting 40 copper from each of these, which is very low. At the end of the game, you'll be getting a couple of hundred using a higher level cut array. So that's probably enough. I'm going to sprint off to the. Oops, don't go too far. I don't want to go around the corner. Sprint off to the Griffins Reach trade post, and this is where I should be able to do this mission, complete this mission. Let's check again. No.
It seems my fame precedes me even here, at the arse end of the Haga Basin. Your Emperor's lackey, Count Fenring, has put an obscene bounty on my
So you're being told that
and while I'm flattered to be his
Zantara, your guide, cannot actually meet with you.
attention is making life complicated.
When you open up the contract,
Take a look around.
you now find that because you picked up the copper,
Might interest you.
you can deliver it.
Be careful. Civilized men are not to be trusted.
Okay. Now they want you to buy a schematic for a Lita John from the merchant.
Hey, stop. I know the face of every sand-sucking bandit, so
It's a
perhaps you
charming
give us the
one,
courtesy
so I'll just talk to him.
Welcome to Griffins Reach, stranger. Name's Mir.
And I'm here to trade. So these are things that this is a fairly standard set of things. This is basic, but this is what this first trader sells. So if you can't find enough microflora fiber or these things, you can buy them here, but they're very expensive. You know, these things are easier to just find yourself and pick up, apart from off-world medical supplies, but you don't really need those yet. All these things we picked up. You get Holtzman actuators from scrapping destroyed vehicles that you find lying around, and particle capacitors and advanced cellbox drop-in testing stations, mechanical parts and microflora fiber you'll find in wrecks. So you don't really need to buy anything here apart from what you're told to buy in the quests, and he says buy this, so I have to buy that. Now there is a reason for this, because Lita Johns are very useful. Because I'm in a trading post, I can actually learn this plan right now. I don't need to go back to my base. You're allowed to learn schematics at trading posts and at Arakeen and Harco and at your base, anywhere that's water sealed. That's a good idea to learn immediately. And now there's another contract to pick up. And this is quite important because they want you to go to the wreck of the Alcyon.
You're going to find Offworlder.
So this is your first wreck to visit, which is that way. And it's where you find the materials you're going to need to make slightly more advanced weapons and armor.